Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today it's July. Our topic is data types. Before we discuss what type of data we are giving to the variable, in our previous lessons, if you remember here, x4, z6, x12, y is equal to 8, y assigned 20. So mean which data we are giving to the variable. So we will discuss different types of variables. Variable type mean what type of data it will hold. So that is, for example, int how many bytes occupies total. For example, when we say x is equal to 4, so when integer is 4, int x integer in computer memory it occupies 2 bytes. Okay, 2 bytes. Okay, so total, what is the range of the numbers? It can maximum can store plus minus from negative to positive numbers 32,767 maximum. So it can store this, but both. Okay, both positive and negative. Okay, next type is long int. In C we will write all small. Long int, total number of bytes 4. Okay, but it's 4 bytes, it is double of that. So it will, the range of numbers it can store. When you declare a variable long int, it can store plus minus both in millions, like 2417, sorry, 1147 483 and 647. This is the range of the number. See, in millions. If we declare, when we declare a type long int, so we can store maximum value, one value in a variable. Okay, maximum value in millions and occupies 4 bytes. Next is unsigned int. Unsigned int. This is also integer, but unsigned. Unsigned means only positive. See here, in integer, when we declare integer, we are saying 32,706. Maximum it can store this number, but towards backward also 0 and till negative 32,767. Okay, both. Unsigned integer, it occupies same 2 bytes, but its range is 0 to 65,535. Maximum this value to a variable it can store when it is unsigned integer. And when you want to store only positive number, so declare like this: unsigned int, then give name variable x, y, z, whatever. Okay, next is float. Float data type is known as, when we want to declare, we want to store values in fractions, in decimals. In C++ we call it float. Okay, it occupies total number of bytes, it occupies 4, and the range of the number is you know, it is, I will write in this okay, 10 raised to power 38. See, multiply 10 38 times, very big number. So occupies number of bytes 4, and it store data in decimals, handles fraction data. Okay, then next is double float. As the name is double, so it occupies 8 bytes, and same but value will be different. Very big number. It is 10 raised to power 308. 10 raised to power 308. Calculate this, very big value. Okay, then again same. Sometimes we need a very big number, so that's why we divide. You know, when there is a fractional data, and it is a very big value in scientific notation, you know, mathematically scientific notations, big values are there, so we declare double float. And if decimals, fractions, we declare float only. Okay, then next is long float. So all small letters. Long float occupies 10 bytes. It also occupies both. This also occupies both. This one also, this one also. Okay, so you can here write both. Okay, and here both mean positive and negative. And here occupies 10 bytes. It means it is bigger than this. So it is raised 10 raised to power 4,932. That is the range of the number. So that is for your information. So these are the data types. One last data type is there, that is char. It is a short form of character, but we read it char. Okay, when we want to store letters, when we want to read letters, alphabets A, B, C, then we declare it as a char. Okay, it occupies 1 byte only, 1 byte and 8 bits. One letter, 8 bits maximum. Okay, so 1 byte, 8 bits. It is a maximum its range, because it occupies one character only. Okay, so we will write program now using float, long int, double float, float, or double float. Basically we will use int, float, and char, character. If you want to use long float, double float, when we when we are using big digit, very big digit, then we declare it double float or long float. And if you are dealing with the positive number only, then we use unsigned integers. Okay, so let's move to the C program, C++ program to write, to check the data types, how we use data types in a C++ program. So all data type we will use in a C++ program. Before we are using, till now we are using only int. So in this program we will use all data types. These are also, see, 1, 2, 3. These are types of integer. Float, double float, float. These three are same, only the range is the difference. These are the floats. So this is correct. Letter mean you want to read ABC one by one. So basically 1, 2 and 3. Three data types are there. Okay, we will use these three data types, and these are the categories in float and categories in integers. Okay, now let's move to the